I open or you open?
You open.
I feel like it's my birthday.
Hey guys! Welcome to Irene channel! Irene and Ale. So today I'm not a guest. I will be introducing this channel for them. So I got them a gift and I'm going to show you what I got for them, but first let her come and open the gift. Woo! Hello everyone, I'm Sylvia and today I'm the one introducing the channel. We are going to unbox the gifts I bought for my friend because you know I'm the first guest to arrive for the wedding and I had to do the gifting as the first person. So these are my gifts to Irene and Ale. The rest I'll do them later. So I'll call her, she unbox them and we see what I got for them.
Thank you guys. Hope you are all doing good. Welcome back to our channel. Meet my best friend Sylvia and we are here today. We are going to do the unboxing. This is our first wedding gift together with the other one that Ale is going to unbox. So I'm going to unbox this.
From outside, can you guess what is it? I know every homestead has this, but then you won't tell from the sides.
Okay.
But I'm sure you have
So let's see. First of all, thank you so much for gifting us this gift. It's so precious to us and we are definitely going to use it during our wedding.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So guys, as you can see from the outside of the box, you can already tell what it is. So we have these. This is the smallest one. It's 26 centimeters. Then we have this is 32 centimeters. And then we have this, the largest. I think this is the largest, the biggest one. It's 36 centimeters. So let's just, maybe we will just
Show them.
take off one or
Maybe
both.
open the smallest and the
Okay.
largest.
So,
Okay. I don't know, I don't want to break them. Okay.
so this is the smallest pot, cooking pot.
You said for chapati.
You can cook with you can cook anything you want. Okay, so I think this is a nice gift for a wedding, especially now that we are going to have some guests.
Yeah.
Stay back at home and you know, if you know, you know. If you know, so
They have to
we
taste.
want to like we have for our wedding ceremony we are going to implement some Italian and Kenyan ways of celebration. So
We'll do both.
we will cook some Kenyan foods during the wedding and some Italian foods, and we will also that is it. We are going to cook Kenyan and Italian food so that our friends can share and have a taste of the Kenyan foods and how the Kenyan weddings are. So
And we'll do the largest one.
okay, let's
This one, I guess that is how it is.
no, just take off. Maybe they can show them. Oh wow, it's so big. I think this you can cook like rice for 20 to 30 people. Not Kenyan people. Because Kenyan people want more food so that they can take away.
Are you sure?
So but then this one we can use it to cook mandazi.
Oh yeah, sure.
We can use this to cook mandazi, we can cook rice, chicken,
Beef.
You see? This is so nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And this, but this is the largest. So we have this too. Oh. This is deeper. And it's not shallow like the other one, so
maybe some soup.
yes. And this whoa, you see? Thank you.
I did 3 pots for the basic food. Yes. The rest of the food we have some more and we use that. For these ones, you'll see them later during the wedding.
These are the gifts from Sylvia to us.
My first gift.
It's our first wedding present.
The second.
Okay. It's among the first wedding presents that we have received. So we also have these. These are some Italian, I don't know, but they are used during the wedding, I think, for the guests. So maybe we will see during the wedding.
Yeah, we'll use them during the wedding, not now.
Grazie mille. I open or you open?
You open.
I feel like it's my birthday. Ho parlato con mio padre.
No, ho avuto un'idea, un lampo di genio. Ho avuto un lampo di genio. No,
Hello?
l'idea era...
But it's what we were planning to buy in the same color.
It's yes, but I don't find it. I go to take it, but I don't find it because the color was
Ma
finished.
idea,
Oh.
ho avuto un'idea,
Thank
ho
you.
letto nella mente.
Grazie.
Ho letto nella mente.
Non sapevamo. Hai la casa.
A caso, la teiera.
Solo so che sono anche...
Fai il...
È bellissimo.
Can you turn it the other way?
Infatti io mi dicevo, ma come fai a poi magari le chiede se sei andato.
E certo, perché
Già come fare.
perché io lo so che loro le mettono fuori, no? Ti ho detto non prendiamola perché è bello, molto bello.
That is it, guys. Thank you so much for always coming to watch our videos, and thank you, Sylvia,
Until next
for
time.
gifting us
Yes.
this very precious gifts. During our parties, we can now cook. We can now cook for the
You were used to having a small family.
small family like 10 people, but now we can host up to 20 people. Hey! Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next video.